Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. So I've got a little bit of tempered dark chocolate and I'm going to start filling in my silicone mold. Method 2 is to use a piping bag, which makes it go a little bit quicker. And now I'm filling this with homemade caramel. I have many homemade caramel recipes on my channel. I'll link to a few of those down below in the description box. And then we're going to add in some crushed pecans. And then I'm just going to top it off with a little bit more of dark chocolate. Once you have filled your molds to the top, you always want to tap your mold to release the air bubbles. And now I'm going to place my chocolate in the fridge for 10 minutes and then we'll unmold them. Placing your chocolate in the fridge contracts the chocolate and then it's easy to remove from your mold. So I'll just remove it. You can see the nice shine on the chocolate that we've got here. I'm really impressed. And now for our final little bit of video, just going to show you these and then we'll just cut into one. I am really happy with the shine and the chocolates overall look really good. So we'll just cut into one because I always do want to show you what the chocolates look like inside. And there we have it. We've got the nice dark chocolate, pecans, and homemade caramel. And again, the recipes to homemade caramel, I will put a couple of them down in the description box below this video. So there we have it, a really simple one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you wish, and always remember every video that you see here on my YouTube channel is also available on my Facebook page, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time. Hey there, before you go, you can click on the subscribe button, which will automatically subscribe you to my YouTube channel, and you'll be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Or you can click on my website, and you can also click on the videos, and you'll go to another one of my video recipes. Thanks for watching.